What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today we got a device for Ijoy, actually a kit for Ijoy that was very excited to have it in my hands, and finally is here. Finally we can have a look at it, and that is the Zenith 3. This one is the kit without the batteries, but it comes with the diamond sub-on tank with very good coils. This is a very good device. I love it. Variable wattage with a very nice dial. Some beeping sounds going on. But obviously we got to all of that on the up and close. So what we're going to do now? We're going to dive down. Okay, so here's the box where your Ijoy Zenith 3 comes in. This one is the full kit. Also going to get an extra coil. Okay, starting from the diamond tank. So this tank comes... Sub-on tank comes in also other devices. Is primarily made of stainless steel, 25 mm diameter tank. The bubble glass will hold 5.5 ml of e-liquid, and the straight glass that is also an extra. I don't know why I didn't include all the extras. You will have an extra. Here it is. This one will hold 4 ml of e-liquid. You're gonna have this 510 width O-rings on the top, so all your TFV8 or any 810 width O-rings will fit here. And this one is a pretty nice one because you can unscrew this sleeve, or kind of sleeve, as you can see. I don't know if they're gonna make more sleeves or if you're gonna be able to customize, not really sure. The thing is, you really have to crank it down, otherwise when you're vaping sometimes it unscrews on you. You're also gonna have your filling ports, so very big in the shapes in there to fill your juice. Very chunky piece of top cap holding by an O-ring. You're gonna have this diamond knurling, so very nice to unscrew and screw your tank. Big airflows on the bottom on both sides, can be adjusted, and obviously got a stopper. Did I say a stopper? A stopper on both sides. Obviously what you adjust in one side will be the same on the other. On the bottom you're gonna have designed by Ijoy diamond tank. Very easy. Now if you want to unscrew your tank, you can remove this bubble glass if you want to come off. Yes, it will. And you got this finishing rainbow finish on the glass. Actually, it looks pretty cool. I like it. So 5 ml on this one. Obviously you can change for the straight one. You got your chimney going on in there. It's a normal sub-on tank. We are really used to that. It will come pre-installed with this coil, and as you can see, mine is ready to be thrown away. I've been using this one. Is a mesh coil, 0.15 resistance, called DM mesh. Recommend to vape between 40 to 90 watts. Obviously always test low and go higher and adjust as taste. Very nice airflow on the bottom. I kind of like it. Looks like a bullet. I'm not sure if TFV8 will fit in here. Not really sure about that, but these coils are very good coils. And obviously you're gonna get your spare coil. Let me open this. So you got this spare coil. This one is also a mesh. I don't know, they call it a mesh. It looks more like a grill. Mesh coil, this one, same thing, 40 to 90 watts. DMDM, and is also a 0.15. So all the same specs. The only thing will really change is the mesh on the inside. This one got bigger holes, so very easy to install in here. Just attach. I like this, you know, this diamond shape. It looks very good. Crank it down. When using a sub-on tank and using the coil for the first time, you wanna put some drops to get start, otherwise you can have like burn your cotton. You don't want to do that, you know, because this one you can't change the cotton. It's very different from an RDA or RTA. If you messed up the coil, it's gone. So what I recommend is throw a few drops in there, fill up your tank and let it sit like for 2 or 3 minutes. We're gonna let it sit so we have a look on the mod, and that should be more than enough. So you get fully saturated. Very easy to fill. And I have to say, these mesh coils are amazing. Alright, let it sit for a few minutes, and you should be able to vape it after that. But always start low and go up and adjust as taste. And here we have the main event, the Ijoy Zenith 3. Now first of all, I love the Zenith series. I used to have the triple battery, and that thing was amazing. It lasts so much till it finally died on me, but it took a lot of punishment, and it was a triple 18650. This one will be dual 2700 or dual 18650. Now on the top you're gonna have a gold plated spring loaded 510. It will fit up to 30 mils without any overhang, so very big pro on that. Primarily made of zinc alloy. Here is gonna be your dial that it protrudes, okay, but very nice dial, and obviously it's gonna adjust from 2.7 up to 6.9 volts. Okay, you're gonna have some LEDs to indicate you your battery level. Charging port that I don't recommend to charge it here, but if you need an emergency, it's fine. You're gonna have venting for your battery and also for your board on the inside, because you got all the protections. On the side you got your firing button, very clicky, a little bit of rattle. Ijoy is, I don't know, they've been a bit lazy on the fire buttons. They've been having a, I mean, it's not massive rattle, but still it is a rattle there. So it's all shaped like a diamond, and I kind of like it. This one is the, they call it the gold. To be honest, it looks like bronze. It looks very nice. Got a scratch there, that was made by me. Dial very easy to adjust, very nice. You're gonna have, as you can see, the point that will indicate where you are, and it goes from 0.03 increments, so 3, 3.3, 3.6, and so on. On the back, obviously, you're gonna have your battery compartment. You can put your fingernail in here, open, hold by very big, nice magnets, no rattle, no movement, very nice, sturdy door. Here, your battery compartment, and it's very clearly marked negative, positive in white, so you can really see it. Got a very massive pull tab. I think if it was half of that, will be fine. So you'll fit 2 batteries, 18650 with the adapters, or dual 2700. I really wish it was dual 21700. Oh god, that will be so nice. But battery life in here is gonna be pretty good, especially vaping that tank. You're vaping, I don't know, I vape between 3.3 maximum 3.6, and battery life is gonna be nice. Now you heard the beep. Alright, when you put the batteries, you're gonna hear that beep, and every time you adjust your volts, it will beep, as you can see. That is, I think, to prevent to, you know, by accident to change the wattage. Let's say you're on the minimum, is actually 2.4 the minimum, and for example, you vape at 2.4 and bam, you change for 6.9. That are gonna be very dangerous. Now, obviously, if you vape at 6.9 and you change to 2.4, it's not gonna be a big issue. You're not gonna burn any coils or cotton. But if you're vaping very low and you change it to a very high voltage, it's gonna be bad. So that's why it's the beep. But if you don't like the beep, you fire it 1, 2, 3. That's it. You click very quick 3 times, okay, and you can turn off the beep. Obviously, the green light's still gonna tell you if you adjust it or not, but no beep. Honestly, I think the beep is a very good idea. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. That's it, is activated. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 is deactivated, so you don't have the beep if you don't like the beep. All right, I think it's a pretty good idea. It's a safety. I think you should use it. 1, 2, 3. Back activated, and obviously you're gonna have Green light for full batteries, gonna turn slightly yellow when the batteries are about halfway, and obviously when they're about to die, they go red, and if they really die on you, the device will shut off. So not much else going on in here. I mean, gonna attach the tank in here. Here we go. Actually, they mark the tank as a 26.5. I will say 26. I almost consider, because 26 is going to be around here, not really on the base. So as you can see, sits perfectly there. 30 mils, no problem, no overhang going on in there. Now obviously always make sure you adjust and you start very low when you're using a brand new coil to not burn your cotton. As you can see, it looks very good. I like this setup, and this wheel, very easy to adjust, very nice. I think is a very good mod. Alright, so we're gonna come back on top. I tell you where you can get it, price, and we run to pros and cons. Alright, and we're back, and that was the up and close for the Ijoy 3 kit. Okay, so where you can get it and price. You can get 3ff.com, Fast Take, or even here in the UK. Now, the price at 3ff.com, that I am looking now at the moment, goes for this kit with the tank $59.19. It's actually on sale right now, so it's about 55 UK pounds. You also can get just the mod, and you can get the mod, the tank, and battery. So you can get a lot of different combinations, and the price is gonna be obviously jumping around depending on what kit or non-kit you get. But this one, $59.19 with the tank. 3ff.com or Fastech, and I will leave the links in the description. Let's go to pros and cons. Starting from the tank. Now the tank is very solid tank. Very good. My only picky con, okay, it has to be the drip tip. You know, that sleeve that I show you can be screwed. You really have to crank it, but you have to be careful to not crank it so much that you're gonna mess up the threads and you're gonna mess up the drip tip. I wish it was just a drip tip without any threading going on in there, because sometimes you're vaping and you feel like it's gonna lose on you. Like I say, I wish it was just a fixed drip tip. I mean, it looks good. I don't know if you're gonna be able to buy drip tips, but drip tips with threading, I don't know if that really work. I mean, drip tips are not expensive. Obviously, if you don't go to the expensive ones, but are not very expensive and very good drip tips out there. I don't know. I think it shouldn't be thread, but even though it's a very good drip tip, that is only my only gripe with this tank. It's a very solid tank. Especially if you want to, like a starter kit, start to get in Sobom tank. This one is very good. Now pros, construction, machining, very good, looks sturdy. The coils, the mesh, all the flavor you get out of this. I never thought I'm gonna get so much flavor out of a Sobom tank. This is really similar to an RTA. I love both of them. The first one was amazing. This one is amazing. Flavor is there. They last quite a while. That one went to a lot of tanks before, and it still was kind of good. I could keep it, but I want to throw a new one for the purpose of the review, you know. Airflow, you're gonna have plenty of airflow. I mean, I'm rocking like halfway, 0.15 coil inside, and I'm 3 volts. Let's have it too. You got clouds, you got flavor. I can pop even more. Let's go to 3.3. Still keeping up. Flavor really pops now. Obviously, I could go higher and open the airflow. I mean, very good tank. But the thing I was really excited was the mod, because I love all this. I didn't saw the first Zenith, but the Zenith 2, I think it was the triple 18650. I love that mod. I used till it died on me. It was the button on the top and it died on me, and the review is here on the channel if you're gonna wanna go and have a look. It was very sturdy, took a lot of punishment before it died on me. But this one, the looking of it, and it was 2700. I was very excited. Now, cons. Um, I mean, I don't have too many gripes. I wish, lately I found so many good stuff that I wish to have cons to tell you. Because you're probably wondering, whoa, everything you review is good. They're not sending to me. I buy this product. This is my money. I could complain as much as I want, even though if they were sending to me for the purpose of the review, if I had any cons, I will still gonna say it. I don't care. If I had to buy all my products and bring the reviews for 10, 15, 20 years, I still gonna do it because I enjoy to do this and I enjoy to bring you, some stuff that probably if it's something wrong, I want to be the first to tell you, be careful, don't go to spend your money on that because you're gonna be disappointed. But this one, I can't find. I mean, the only con, and this has been a con in the last previous 3 or 4 mods that I review for my Ijoy, is the rattle. Ijoy, fix your rattle. You can hear that. This is annoying. I hate it. It's not a lot. It's better than the Avenger. The Avenger was, oh my god, crazy. But still, the Diamond that I review, it was rattle on the up and down button. This one still rattle. Ijoy, you really have to fix this rattle problem because your devices are so solid, so nice, and it's very ashamed that you have to give a con for rattle. Really? That's my only con. It come available in several colors: blue, red, green. This kind of gold is like a brush finish gold. Rainbow. You got several kits to choose. I like the beep button. The beeping button, this is very good. By mistake, if you see, if you do it by mistake, at least, oh, something going on in there. Like the really small LEDs to tell you the battery life. 2700, even though I wish it was 21700. But hey, 2700, you're gonna have battery for days, especially vaping at 3 volts like I'm vaping now. This battery is gonna last a lot. What else? Construction, machining, battery compartment with very nice indicating positive and negative, very big pro. No rattle on the bottom, no movement, very sturdy door, feels sturdy, feels nice. I love this mod. This is a mod that I'm gonna be using every single day. So fits 30 mils atomizers, very very nice. So Ijoy, just please fix your rattle, and if you fix your rattle, your mods are very very good at a very nice price. So we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description where you can get one. I wish you all the best. Thanks to be with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Till then, keep vaping.